Okay, so hello. Alright. Oh, okay, I cannot do anything. I cannot say hi. Everything sucks. Hello guys, so today I was actually going to be playing Star City. Let me try to minimize the screen real quick. Gotta go to graphics. Full screen. There we go. Yeah, I can see why now. Hey. So it was basically role-playing yesterday, and I accidentally logged out. It was interesting. It was really fucking interesting. It was really interesting. I'm still waiting on text. So right now I'm in Mistfall. Woohoo! I gotta be like quiet because I'm not sure if my mom's in bed or not. But yeah, so I guess I'm gonna be giving you guys a tour of Star Stable. Yeah. I have no idea if you guys can hear me, but I have a strong feeling you guys can, so I'm not too worried about it. So yeah, so you guys cannot hear the screen, you know, the whole computer screen. I don't know what I'm saying right now. I'm tired, and I didn't just wake up, but oh well. Happy Memorial Day. Sorry. I ran into that thinking I could walk through, because I used to be able to walk through stuff like that. But welcome to Mistfall, Dundle. I'm apparently level 17 at the moment, people. Yeah. I'm not paying attention to where I'm going at all. But I'm trying. Whee! This can only record up to 15 minutes. The keel. Are you sure it's the keel? What's the keel? I make jokes a lot, and they're random jokes. It's all mainly because I'm bored, so yeah, you know. I'm tired. Oh, pow! No? Alright. Apparently cannot reach it. So, guys are wondering, this is the 2018 version. Apparently I can move around the screen. I can move the screen around. It'll let me at the moment. So apparently, if you look over here, if you can even see my mouth, there will be a camera, and there will be this down button. So, camera, you just press that. Wherever you stopped at, wherever you press, whatever time you press that camera button, you know, you can do depths of the field. I love depths of the field, depends on what posture I'm doing. You can, like, you know, do that. Uh-oh, blank screen. I just love this kind of stuff. And then you can choose your filters. Oof. I would rather just go to none. And then filter fade. Then you can choose the time of day. Night does not go too well, so look at that. Maybe that time of day you can show UI, which is like, you know, the whole thing, where you are and everything. Then you can reset, and then you can just press that, and there you're good. I don't have a mouse right now, so it's kind of hard. And then you can apparently go right here where the little miniature map is, right above the phone. You press the collections. So if you go there, it'll tell you how many stars you've collected. I have collected 49 out of 131. So I've got 5 from Cliffside County, 1 from Crescent Moon Village, 6 from Firegrove. I got all of them from Golden Fields, so I'm good there. Golden Hills Valley, I got 3. Governor's Fall, Charleham, Jorvik. I got none at Jorvik City Mall. There's one there? No. Mirror Marshes, Mistfall, Moorland. I got all of them from Moorland. Kind of figured. New Hillcrest, Nomer's Highland. I got all these. So yeah. Apparently, right now I'm going to go to AIDEEN'S Plaza, and I'm going to show you guys how to get one of those stars. So I'm just going to call for pickup real quick, just so it's quicker and easier. Got like a few more minutes on the video thing, but I think I can put them together. I don't know. I'm not experienced in video recording and everything. Used to be faster. Alright, so Fort Pinta, let's go to AIDEEN'S Plaza. I kind of know where I'm going, not really. I think I'm going to take the dog with me. I feel like I just want to and I'm bored. So I'm just going to do that. So, one more minute. There's my cute little puppy. I named her after my new puppy that I'm going to be getting. Bella Grace. Woo! The bus should be here. There it is. Gotta get my bus ticket ready. Got it in my hand. Apparently my dog is on the bus with me. Okay, so here we are. So I don't really know where I'm going. So all you gotta do is just press shift or control. All you gotta do for that. It's very easy. It took my sister and I a while to find that, because she didn't know how to get out of it, so I just clicked like a random button, and then I just found out, like, oh, you press that button. Yeah, really cool moment. I would really love to go inside half of these buildings, so I'm going to I think I already told you, but we're going to, you know, I feel like there's a star in there. No, but there's a bunch of wasps. I'd rather stay away. So we go here, get a free cupcake. I don't know where I'm going. Where am I going? Well, I partially do and I partially don't. I forgot. I do know where I'm going, but I don't know where it is. I was just over here. Is it back here anywhere? There it is. Alright, so there's a star in here. Whew. So apparently if you watch the whole thing, right, there's a star. But it's kind of like a quest in order to get the star. You can't really, like, you know, just go and grab it. You have to do a little trick. That's how come you gotta get a cupcake. So now we gotta go chase after the little munchkin. You stop somewhere. Alright, let's go back. Continue chasing him. Then let's say you lost him. Okay. Alright, so right here, you stop, and you get the cupcake. Get the little cupcake out. And you place it right there, and then you just wait. Hey, buddy! You're not allowed on the bed. It's weird. Look at my screen. That's weird. Now we can get the star. There we go. And then that's apparently how you get the star. The entire thing. I messed up a little bit. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know. Adios.